Hyderabad, popularly known as the city of Nizams and Pearls, is known for its rich history, culture, cuisine, and architecture. Shamirpet, situated in the northern part of Hyderabad, is the fastest developing residential-cum-commercial hub that has greater connectivity via the outer ring road. A promising project by Bhuvanteza Infra Projects, Happy Homes is a luxury gated community just 3 kilometers away from Exit 7 on the outer ring road. Spread across 11 acres, Happy Homes is located in a calm, serene, and pollution-free environment. Situated near properties like the Raichandani Villas, Celebrity Resort, and a tourist hotspot Shamirpet Lake known as Pedda Cheruvu is just a few minutes away from the project. The project provides greater connectivity to prominent colleges, schools, and hospitals. The 2 and 3 BHK apartments in the mega gated community offer luxury amenities that give an exclusive and premium lifestyle that cuts above the rest. Invest in the future relevant property located at the future perfect and most desiring location Shamirpet, Hyderabad.